never really was just like a dream. Was it the simple things that made me so crazy about you? Was it your charm?
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
So I will be doing a review on our reversible double grill and griddle. Seen on TV, I'm going to be doing pancakes today. And in another video, I will be doing grilling. So let's get started on this review. Now let's get into our ingredients that you will need to make this fast, quick, and easy pancake. And we're going to find out how that grill works today. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can also use melted butter as well, but I'm using vegetable oil for this recipe. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Let's get started. Now let's get started with our dry ingredients. You have your 1 cup of all-purpose flour right here. Then you'll add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Add your salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda, and whisk that in. And this is your dry ingredient. Let's get our wet ingredients ready. Now let's get our wet ingredients ready. You have 1 egg right there, 1 large egg, and you just want to whisk that thoroughly. Add your vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons, and you could use melted butter as well. And then you add 1 cup of milk, any milk of your choice. Now we're moving on to the next step. You have your dry ingredients here, and you just want to make a little hole in the middle, and then you pour your wet ingredients in and stir immediately to prevent lumps. And that right there looks pretty good. I'm going to set this aside for 5 minutes. So here I have my reversible double grill and griddle on my stove top. You don't need any oil for this because it's non-stick. So when your pancake starts to bubble just like that, you know it's time to flip. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Fast, easy, and simple. Like, share, thumbs up. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So, see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.